Ready to bring your illustrations to life with vibrant color using Adobe Illustrator. The easiest way to fill a shape is with the Fill panel. Click your shape, then select the Fill Color option in the Appearance panel and click a color from the color picker that pops up. Your shape should now be filled with vibrant color. Next, we'll explore the Swatches panel. This is your palette of predefined colors, gradients, and patterns. Select your object, then simply click on a swatch color in the Swatches panel. Instant color change. It is that simple. Now, for something a bit more advanced, the Live Paint Bucket tool. This is perfect for intricate illustrations. First, create or select a group of shapes. Then select the Live Paint Bucket tool in your toolbar. Click on the object, and Illustrator allows you to apply fill colors within the boundaries of your shapes. Click the color swatch you chose. Click within the shapes. The fill color will then update. And there you have it. You've covered the essentials of filling color in Adobe Illustrator using the Fill panel, swatches, and the Live Paint Bucket. Experiment with different color combinations and don't be afraid to get creative.